service is up and running. So let's try it out. Ta-da! So we'll go to hosting, we click. Remember, you cannot open this URL on any Surface browser like Chrome, Firefox, and so on and so forth. So you can only open this using top browser. So you can see we just open our first and create our first hosting. Ta-da! You can see our hosting is live, so you can copy and visit it. Anyway, so basically let's click here. Customer portal. So this is where we're going to see this, and we're going to go. Sorry about that. Sorry, you click these three dots here, and let's go back. Yep, click these three dots here. You can see dashboard, email, file manager, blah 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 blah. So you can just dashboard. You can just dashboard and see what's there for us. So just going to show you guys how to navigate that. Or we have a file manager here. We have a PHP or admin database here, right? So we can just click, open this in a different browser, open this in a different browser. So you can see PHP 8.2, MySQL 8.0, disk usage 1 gigabyte, data space, hosting plan premium. So this is more like a trial, and if we don't pay, check it out. So you can see current data status running, current PHP service web portal access active. So basically we already have this. Now you can see this, we have our PHP admin service, which is where we can access our PHP admin. So basically, if you upload your file, your general file, your file manager, I feel like in order for you to use this, first you need to know how to host a normal website on a normal hosting platform, which is Surface website. If you have the idea already, that would be more better. But if you don't have the idea, feel free. It doesn't really matter. All you just do, you upload your normal file in your file manager. Once you upload your normal file in your file manager, you come here. I'm talking about specifically for just PHP script source code. So basically we have our port 3306 db root password blah. So basically we have a PHP admin access. So when you get to this access, you're going to need authorization. Yeah, so you can see. So this is our file manager. No, now this is a file manager link, but not now. Let me go back here first. So I want to show you guys something. So these are PHP credential. At times you may need two different credentials. Let me see if this is the right one. So basically, let's just click here and copy our password and paste it and see. So we put the password here. We see and sign in. Remember, we use the down one there, right? So that, okay, just hold on a bit for it to look complete, so we know if that is the exact one we are supposed to use when trying to access our PHP admin. Remember, your PHP admin, that's where you create your data, that's where you upload or create your database. Yeah, but when you're using on the Surface web and using something like cPanel, currently a database from your cPanel, you click your cPanel, see your database, create there before going to PHP admin to upload it. But yeah, kind of different. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Ta-da! So let's continue. It's taking a while. So while it's taking a while, let me just open this, which is my file manager. Oh, okay. Oh, if you go very well, if you've done anything to Surface or cPanel, you notice that you don't actually need access like a password to get access to your file manager or your PHP admin, but this you need it. So you can see, tada, that's first access. So we'll go back here. If you remember, we use this guy, right? So now we're going to use this guy. Our username is root, our password is this, database name is that, right? So password, tada, root. So I click on login. So I want to see if this is going to take us to our PHP admin. Let's see. Why this is also loading? Check out other folder. Check this. This is a file manager, right? So you can see basic auth dialog. I see web portal. So we just copy this. This is for this. Right. Remember, this is for what did I just do? Tada! So this picture admin, you can see our database here already. So we're good to go. Nothing else. SSL is not being used. Yeah, it doesn't really matter. If you want to create a new database, just click here to show you where to create a database. Then you create a database, you're good to go. That's how you create database when it comes to the dark web for hosting your PHP file. So why this? For this, so basically for your shit. I don't know why it is telling me update now start. Just dismiss this and refresh this. Let me see. That's for file manager. See, file manager credential. So basically, this is how you access your file manager. You use this to access the file manager. You use that to access your page. You just put your database here. Put anything you want to put. You can go to settings and change your password if you want to change your password. Yeah. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned. Remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Next video, let me show you guys how to host a website on dark web, be it an e-commerce website, just like those markets in the previous tutorial. You can actually host any website you like. So basically that's how it is. I think, remember I said I'm going to show you guys how to verify information on the dark web. Yeah, I'm also going to do that. I've already told you guys how to navigate dark web using Tor link and the rest of onion land search engine blah blah the rest. So I'm going to show you guys how to verify legit information. Stay tuned. Remember, let's do a like, share, subscribe to my channel. Let me just call it review, then cPanel 8.2 PHP version, and click on create. So once you do that, you just click on create. First of all, remember you need to create an account with Onion Land Hosting first. Creating an account is very easy. It's more like eating a pizza. So what you just need to do is for it to just go to the browser Onion Land, then click on sign in with Google. Basically, once sign in with Google, you're here. And next for it, you just click on create an Onion service. When you click on create all this, it's going to take you. Sorry. Please bear in mind, whenever you're in dark web, things don't move as fast as surface web because of it's kind of moved layer, two layers. Yeah, basically that's it. So we need just hold on a bit for it to completely create a hosting for you. Most especially this hosting is a cPanel hosting. I'm going to be showing you guys how to upload file here. I'm just going to show you guys how to set up this hosting completely from start to finish. Next tutorial, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to host a complete website. So we're going to be hosting a website on dark web next year. So just stay tuned. Remember, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Yep. Done. See, your own service is deploying. You may try to refresh the page to see the latest status. So basically, you can see it's here in deploying. So this is my URL. Wow, it's easy peasy. It's kind of more easier than even hosting or creating the service on the surface web. Imagine just now I already have a domain, so that's the domain name. It's going to literally give you a domain name and the hosting. You don't need to get a domain name and say, I need the domain name now for me to create to link blah blah. Nah, you don't need the domain name. All you just need to come here and get this start all. So currently it's trying to deploy, so we're just going to wait a few seconds and we are on it. Also, if you recall very well, I told you guys about what's called me trying to get a spoofing tool that help you spoofing phone calls. Yeah, I did that. I got that. I started working. I'm going to show you guys also, so you guys see how it looks like. But not here, not now. Stay tuned. Just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Okay. So let's see. It's taking a while for it to load completely, so you just need to exercise patience, and we
So guys, if you recall in the last tutorial, we was talking about how to get a domain and host it from dark web. So I kind of know you guys to get already. So this is our domain, right? So now we want to host the website of dark. So that's what we need today, class. So basically, let's get started. So first thing, go to our dashboard, go to our file manager. Don't worry about that. It's taking a little while. A lot of things works on dark web, not as fast as the surface web. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Okay, so we're here already, right? So currently we're using a base usage 1 gig free plan, right? So so the next thing we need to do is first to open this, copy this credential. While we're waiting for this to load up, you can go to our folder. Um, so basically this is our file. We're going to I'm going to compress, zip it, right? So it's ecom. So basically, what we actually so what we're actually doing is a dark web e-commerce website. Right. So this is a file. Go back to say not found. So there's a problem loading it up. Just network. So paste this here. Go back to this. Copy the password. Also paste this here. And click on sign in. So wait for that to connect properly. So you can see. So click here. So this should be for the file manager portal. So just wait for it to load up. You see login fail. We're just going to copy again properly. And paste it. Don't copy this. And paste this and sign in again. So take us to the file manager. You can always be more slow it's more slow compared to the Surface Web. So you can see that it's still loading here. So just exercise a little patience. So you can see we're currently in the file manager. Yeah, yep. So you can see the default index file. We don't need that, so we can just delete this. Right? So while we also delete that, we can upload our file here. Right? So you click here. And let's wait for that one to finish displaying. So we can just click on this drag and drop and go to our PC. This is just a simple e-commerce website or a market that I just said to build. So you can see it's uploading. So it's still uploading. It's uploading the change to show a tick sign also. Why is the kid bad? Let's take them. Let's do. So we can see the file here, right? Right, so that's the file. So um, so I want to see this file, but it looks like it's not going to be. So basically, we have this. Yeah. So, well, January. This file is not properly uploaded. It's not well uploaded. Let me see. Let's see if I can actually click on this to extract that. Okay, so you can see. Okay, so we can just click here to unzip. Tada. So, yeah, actually, this is my first time um, hosting this. So, on Onion Land. So, basically, I just discovered that also, just like you did also just now. So, basically, we have that set up already. The next for us to do now is for us to just take a chill pill and tada. I'm joking. So, since we have that already now, the next thing for us to do now is for us to go to our PHP admin. So, only active. So click this. Go back here. You see. So that's what I was going to see first. So, so let me just embed this as holy moly. We have this. So we just go to apps. Let's go in app folder. I don't want that loading. We still have to go back to this. Check this out. I'll wait for that guy to load up completely. So you can see we have this. Click on config. So when we don't put it on config, you see this guy here. Click this guy here. So while that is loading, we can just go here and take password with no roots. And log in our database. Now we are here, so we just click edit. Right. So looks like my PC is running low. Just leave that aside. Click here. While that is loading, we can also click here and open this stuff here. So I have the database here. I tested the website after developing the website. It's a simple dark web market where you can actually buy shelf stuff. So you click here, you're gonna export. Yep. So go back here. Right. Okay. We can just call this dark ecom. Right. Dark com. create a database. So Darkham has been created. So it has been created already, but not showing yet. So click on it. Right, click on it. Right. So it's showing like this, right? So let's open it wider. So click on import. So click on browse and this download import. So that's the database. So just click on import. So you import the database. Remember we call it dark corner, right? That's the name of the database. Right. So we can actually go back. Can I gotta go back? Oh, what the heck is this? Okay. Can I go back here? And we have a save. Save successfully. Right. So we can just so we import this successfully also. So and we've saved it also successfully. But the thing is we don't have a password for this. The default username is root, right? Let us see if it actually works. So we come here. So this is the hosting we use now, right? So click on it and see if it actually works. So basically, sorry, it has all those things. That's more like the PHP than the URL. So let's just click here. Go. It's taking too long. Okay, so this is .onion hosting here. Saying the problem of this page, blah 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 blah. The connection was fused when attempting to connect this icon temper unavailable. Too busy taking. So that's a natural problem. That's what we expected. We never expected to just work directly like that. Yeah. And the rest. So basically, we're back. Remember, we've connected our database, right? And we're about checking our website, and so showing one error. Then all I did was, let me tell you what I did. All I did was go to tickets. Everything was connected perfectly. Everything was working perfectly. What we did was actually correct. Sorry. All I did was open a ticket and just told them that I connected everything perfectly, and they were like, look at what they said. They were like, the connection has timed out. The operation timed out. When okay, that's what I sent to them. And I said, oh, your onion server should be working now. There's a file resolution and production key issue. We have updated your file and fixed the issue. Should you have any additional query, don't hesitate to respond to us. So basically, that's what they just said. And after that, I just go to my browser, my URL. So basically, let me go to my URL. This is my URL. I just clicked on it, and when I clicked on it, open for browser. So is it here? So when I opened it, a website is functioning. Oh, another thing I did was I enabled HTTPS. So you can see
Mitra, that's the name of the e-commerce website. So basically, it's more like a market that you can actually shop things and buy things. So if you need this source code, you can also DM me. If you have any issue, you need anything like this, to just sign it like this, it's easy peasy. Automatically, when you create an account, it automatically generate a wallet address, Monero, yeah, and BTC for you whenever you create an account. So basically, you can see how it looks like. Just a simple website, no, nothing hard to do. Oh, I think I'll register. It take you to registration page. Right, so the registration page saying this. No worry, if you don't want them to ask for email when creating accounts, there's no problem. I can remove that. So we have this. We have. We have. Just put any random image. I'm going to cover nothing. So you just click on agree and click on create account. So this is my trial. It's simply means no point about that. So let's just create an account and see what's going to give to us. Okay, there's an error creating an account. See, so that's one thing about all this stuff. All this stuff. Everything working perfectly in the database. But creating an account now. We can't get an error. Let me try again. Oh, same thing. Same thing. Don't know why though. I'm going to check now. I'm going to check the error. Let me see if it actually created an account. Just bring it an error. Or did not create an account. Okay, not create an account. So not just bringing an error. Let me see if I have any existing account here. No, that will not be an issue to be fixed. I can always fix that. I just need to go to this. Well, I just want to go to the local host and see if I have any user there that I can recall I created initially. Basically, actually, this issue must be from the database. Can be fixed, but we we successfully we successfully hosted the website on the dark web. That's one thing. Oh, I just remembered. Let's go to the database. Right. I just thought about something now. I say DB33 root this as password this. So basically, let us check this. Well, this is not necessary, but actually achieved. Who want to achieve this tutorial by hosting a website on the dark web? Yep. Well, don't mind me. I just want to